And now for all the details. Taking a giant cosmic leap, astronaut and Indian Air Force test pilot Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla has etched his name in history as he launched into space as part of NASA's Axiom 4 mission. Strapped into SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft, Group Captain Shukla, who was also mission pilot for the Axiom 4, took off from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Launched atop a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, the mission carries Shukla and 3 other crewmates from the US, Poland and Hungary to the International Space Station. The mission is a joint collaboration between NASA, Axiom Space and the Indian Space Research Organization and the European Space Agency. The crew will take 28 hours to dock and will stay for 14 days in space conducting over 60 scientific experiments, including 7 designed by the ISRO. The Indian test pilot, who is also the Vyomnaut designate for the India's ambitious space program Gaganyaan, will also engage in a space-to-Earth outreach program, interacting with India's top leadership and students. Following the launch, Group Captain Shukla has become the second Indian after Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma to go to space and once docked, the first Indian to visit the orbiting station. Rakesh Sharma had made history when he went to the space in 1984.
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, what a ride! 40 साल बाद हम वापस अंतरिक्ष में पहुंच गए हैं और कमाल की राइड थी। इस समय हम 7.5 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की रफ्तार से पृथ्वी के चारों तरफ घूम रहे हैं और मेरे कंधे पे मेरे साथ मेरा तिरंगा है जो मुझे बता रहा है कि नहीं हूँ, मैं आप सबके साथ हूँ। ये मेरी इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन तक की जर्नी की शुरुआत नहीं है, ये भारत के ह्यूमन स्पेस प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत है और मैं चाहता हूं कि आप सभी देशवासी इस यात्रा का हिस्सा बने। आपका भी सीना गर्व से चौड़ा होना चाहिए, आप भी उतना ही एक्साइटमेंट दिखाइए। आइए हम सब मिलकर भारत के इस ह्यूमन स्पेस प्रोग्राम की जर्नी की शुरुआत करें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
People across India were seen celebrating the historic space leap. Shukla's alma mater in his hometown, Lucknow, streamed the launch event for its students, joined by family members of the Indian astronaut. The family expressed pride and happiness. Similar screening events were held across other cities, with India's Space Minister Jitendra Singh leading one such screening in capital New Delhi. India's President Draupadi Murmu also lauded Shukla and expressed her best wishes to the other crewmates. PM Modi also wished success for the mission and said Shukla carries with him the wishes, hopes and aspirations of 1.4 billion Indians. Shukla, along with 2 other astronauts, is also designated for India's maiden space flight, estimated to be launched by 2027. Once launched successfully, India will become the 4th country in the world to independently send humans into space, paving the way for further space feats.
These are going to be my friends for life.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, ऊपर वाले का दुआ प्रार्थना करते हैं कि मतलब उसने ये हम उसके लिए धन्यवाद देते हैं और मिशन उसका सक्सेसफुल रहा है। अभी ईश्वर पे कृपा है।
A vindication of the founding fathers of India's space program, Vikram Sarabhai, Satish Dhawan, and it was destined that this vindication of our founding fathers had to happen under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. And today India is no longer a follower. We are equal partners in all our collaborations, and I think it's borne out by the simple fact that of the 4 astronauts in the crew that has gone up, Shubhanshu Shukla is possibly the most important, because not only that he's a pilot, he's also going to perform 7 crucial experiments